Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Explore West channel. My name's Adam, and I'd like to show you a budget tail bag option that costs around $15. Alright, so when I was shopping for these tail bags, most of the name brand manufacturers were selling for around $150. Now, to me, that's a little crazy for something that just sits up here on the rack. There's nothing special like the saddle bag or the tank bag that require any sort of special attachments. So after some research, I found this bag on eBay. It cost me around 15 bucks shipped to my door. Now for day use or a day trip, this thing suits my needs just fine. Let me start by opening it up and showing you what I hold in here for now. I keep these little carabiners on here to keep the zippers from opening up by themselves, or if someone happens to walk by and they think they're going to swipe some of your zippers open to grab what's inside real quick, they can't really do that very quickly. It's a bit of a two-step process. Got a first aid kit, some quick clot, some bandages, a couple spare parts, brake and clutch lever. That's about it for the main compartment for right now, but this is all subject to change over time. You got 3 compartments, extra little flap in here. I'll show you this more in detail in a second. Alright, so I attached mine zip ties. So on the back, see it's got 4 loops, which you could easily attach zip ties to your rack. There's also a nice padded backside. It's real thick. It's got like a rubber insert back here, so if you're worried about any sort of vibrations poking a hole in the bag, it'll probably take a while. Now, here's the inside. It's got a couple of different flaps. Now, if you were to buy this, you could go on eBay or Amazon and search tactical shoulder bag, and then you will see bags with this, which is meant to be, you know, a shoulder type bag, and there's another attachment, but this part easily stows away, and they even have a little button for you to close that up out of the way, and it's just perfect. It's perfect size. It's nice and small, not too bulky, perfect for day trips. And I've had it on a handful of rides now, and I don't see any sort of tears or anything like that going on yet. And even if it lasts you 6 months, a year, I mean, it's only another 12 to 15 bucks to replace it. And they make all sorts of different camo patterns. They got black, coyote tan, whatever your fancy. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, please give us a subscribe.